Hello, now I got a new toy for my solar panel from Hong Kong. Oh. Kan du komme og filme, Karina? Kan du komme og filme? Jeg holder på å filme. Halloween. Mppt solar charge controller for my 800 watt solar panels, who is connected directly to the battery with a blocking diode. I think this will work much better. Oh, God. I have never made an unboxing video before, so it's very difficult with one hand. Yoo-hoo! PV-BUT temp, work mode, BUT type, so det er rart. 40 amp, 12-24 volt. Filme laderen, vet du. Neida, neida. Det er bra. Also got this display, I think. MT5 tracker RN. I don't know what this do, but I will read the instruction. Okay. And I'm also waiting for one 1600 watt wind turbine. It will come in the post soon. Bye bye.